everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do basic first aid with 52 essential life skills. Today something bad happened to me. I got a scrape from school. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of treating my cut and a scrape. First things first, if you get a cut or scrape, don't panic. You got this. Before you treat your wound, remember to wash your hands, use hand sanitizer or antiseptic wipes. The first step is to clean the cut. Use soap and water to gently wash around the wound. If your wound is bleeding, use the gauze pad to apply pressure to stop the bleeding. Now it's time to put some ointment on. This will help the wound heal and prevent infection. I have two kinds of ointment. The blue one is the triple antibiotic ointment, and the other one is antibiotic ointment with pain relief. I need some pain relief, so I'm going to use this one. Apply it with the Q-tip. Make sure you only use the Q-tip one time. Now it's time to put on the bandages. I have a big one which works perfectly. But if you don't have a big one, you can use two side by side. Don't forget to give yourself a pat on the back for being brave. As you can see, treating a cut or scrape is better than making your brother admit that he ate your favorite snack.